Many aspiring content creators find it difficult to start or feel overwhelmed by the competition and technology. I completely understand. It can be intimidating to think about building an audience from scratch. You might be wondering, how do I stand out in a sea of great content creators? What of if I do not have the right equipment or software? All these are valid concerns. But the good news is this: you do not have to be a tech expert or a very intelligent marketer to succeed here on YouTube Street. This video is going to be practical because I will be showing you practically how you can create your YouTube channel all by yourself. And if this is the video you love to watch, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. I will be showing you how you can create your own YouTube channel here on YouTube. Yes, one of the biggest misconceptions about creating a YouTube channel is that you need to have a fancy studios or a ton of jar before you can start creating your YouTube channel. But the truth is this: you can start creating your YouTube channel with a simple tools with what you have. You don't need to have your equipment before you start decide to create your YouTube channel. So another thing about creating a YouTube channel is what by having having a clear understanding of your target audience and what they want to see on YouTube is crucial, but we'll get to that later. I made a video about how to start a YouTube channel. If you have not watched that video, I will be leaving the link in the description. Go and watch that video and come back and continue from here. Because why the reason why I want you to watch that video is for you to know that yes, I'm ready to I'm ready to start my YouTube channel. So the first thing to do is what? Willingness to start your YouTube channel. And the second thing to do is what? How to create your YouTube channel. Yes, if you have decided to start a YouTube channel in this 2025, so one thing is starting a YouTube channel, other thing is creating a YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you practically how you can create your YouTube channel. Yeah. And if you have decided to start up your YouTube channel, good one for you. Do not waste time. Go there, follow this step by step, the guide that I will give you in this video, so that you will be able to create your YouTube channel. Follow all the steps, and the next thing you need to do is to what? Start creating content. And like I said earlier, you do not need to what? Buy, or if you have the money to buy any of the tools in creating the video, your YouTube, making your content great, fine. But if you do not have, that should not be an excuse. Use your smartphone that you are using to watch me and create your YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, let me take you to the other side of the screen, so where I will explain to you practically how you can create your YouTube channel successfully. So what we need to do for this tutorial is locate our Gmail app. I've already installed Gmail Google app on my phone, so I will need to just locate my Google app. This is my Google app. So sorry, I need to turn this stuff because of YouTube. It is YouTube video, so YouTube video is always a landscape form. So I'm clicking on it. This is my own Google account. I already have Google account, but I will create another Google account for the sake of this tutorial. So this is my profile. Click on the profile, then locate where you will see add another account. Click on the add another account. Allow it to load. You see whether I Google, iCloud, 365, and Yahoo Mail. A lot of them, but our major concern is this Google account because we are creating Google account. Click on the Google account, then launch it, allow it to load. What you need to do here is that for those that do not have Google Mail, if you already have Google Mail, that is your Google account. But for those that don't have Google email, so we need to create another email for the sake of this tutorial. So what you need to do here is just click on your create another account. Then this is a two option. Is it for personal use or for business purpose or work purpose? For the sake of this tutorial, we are taking personal use. Click on the personal use, allow it to load. Then you'll be given a form to fill. The first one is your name. So for this, let me use a random name. Let me use John. Let me use John. Then the surname is optional. If you like, if you don't like, leave it. Let me just use my own surname. to do that. Then after that, you click on the next button. Then another basic information, another form to fill again. We have date of birth and gender. So let me use a random date of birth for the sake of this tutorial. Let me just use a random date of birth. Okay, so John is a male name, so we'll go for what? For the gender, I will select male, then click on your next button, allow it to load. So the next form that we are giving option a suggestion for Google for our what? Our mail address, our Gmail address. Let me see, let me create my own. I click on the number 3, John. Let me say John. You can choose the option that you can create. Make sure you put email, Gmail address that you can remember. Let me say John, the one you can remember. So make sure you pick the one you can remember. Let me see. At times, Google may reject if somebody else have taken that name. Let me try this and see. Click on the next button. I think it went. That one is available. So for the password, you can select a password that you can remember. So choose any password that you know you will not forget. So let me pick a password that I know that will be okay for me in this place. Make sure you pick the one you will not forget. Okay, I've taken my password. So you click on this. So what you need to do, go down. The next thing you need to do is to click on the agree. So that means you will agree with Google terms and conditions. So I'll just click on the agree. I agree. So allow it to load. Then let's see if our email is ready. As you can see, John, we have just created our email account. So after you have done this, the next thing you need to do is to go to what? We'll go and look for our YouTube account. We are going to create our YouTube account from here. So let's go. So you have created your Google account. You now have a Google account. So the next thing to do is you need to locate your YouTube app or go to youtube.com if you are logging directly from your website. So let's look for our YouTube app. This is our YouTube. Click on it. Allow it to load. You see this page that you see this down right bottom corner of the screen that you see click on it. Then click on sign in. Then look for what you just do is that click on add account. Click on it. Then click on continue. So in this place, you are going to log in your Google account, the one you just opened. Let me see if I can remember. John Osai 30. John Osai. What you will need to do is just the Google account you open, or the one we just opened on this tutorial, you will input it here. So let me just put the account we just opened here so that you can see. For example, I'm using this one as example. I'm using it as an example. So put your own email account you just opened, which is your Google account. Then click next. You will enter the same password you enter. Make sure you pick a password that's easy to remember. So make sure you pick that one. You click on next. If you want to save, fine. If you are not saving, as you can see, we just created a YouTube account, you just created your first YouTube account, you can see the history. There is no history there because it's a fresh YouTube account, because you have not watched any videos. So the dashboards are normally supposed to be showing you different kind of video that you want to watch, but due to you have not added anything, you have not done anything. So this is how you create your YouTube account. Very straightforward. So, and we still have one thing left. Our purpose of creating a YouTube account is to create our YouTube channel. So to create your YouTube channel, if you look very well at the name of this account, you will see whether you will see this particular place. They say create a YouTube account. Then this particular place they say create your channel. No, create a channel. So what you do, click on it. After clicking on it, very easy. Then you can see you can put your picture. Let me see if I can use any of my picture. If I have anyone from my destiny, you can yes, I have picture. Let me put any picture here. Let me put any picture. Any picture is fine. Let me put any picture that I have here. Let me check my gallery. I think this one is okay. Just for example, let me just use it. Then the name is already there, John Osai, which you can edit. If you not like the name, you can edit it and put the one you like. So you can edit it. So you come to the handle. This is your handle at John Osai. This is the handle. You can as well edit it if you wish to edit it. It's just your choice. So what we'll do next is that, see where they say create your channel. Immediately you click this. Immediately you click this create your channel. Let's see what will happen. You will see what will happen. Yes, you have created your YouTube channel. This account that we just created now have a YouTube channel. Yes, you have created a YouTube channel. So this is the place you can view your like. There is nothing to show you because it's a new channel. Your like, the amount of video that you have in your channel, different kind of analytics is there. Then this is the editing button if you want to re-edit your YouTube channel. If you want to put description, you can see this place. This is the handle. This is my URL channel link. If you want to share your channel with anybody, this place, you click on it. It's copied already. You paste it anywhere you want to paste it. This is the description. What is the purpose of your YouTube channel? What your niche, everything you know that you want to write, you can write it here. Write just simple things, the purpose of the channel, and any other thing that concerning your YouTube channel or YouTube handle. This is it. Then the privacy, you can still just go through it. Then this place is the you can add a photo. You can have a photo. I've forgotten. I will remember it when I remember it. I will let you know. You can still add other photo at the back, the background picture also at the back. So let's go back. You can see we've already have a YouTube account, a YouTube channel. So for you, if you want video to start displaying, let's just use it to look for any video. Let me click search for Kevinco TV. Let me see if it will bring some of my video. As you can see, this is my video. You can see this is my video. So once you watch any of this video, it will appear on your feed. So that is how to create your YouTube channel. Very easy and straightforward. I believe you can do exactly everything I told you about. Do it here. You will see that creating your YouTube channel is very easy and straightforward. So let me take you back to the proper video. Thank you for watching. Welcome back. Yes, that is how you can set up your YouTube channel successfully. So if you have decided to start up your channel, then it's very easy. First of all, you want to start a YouTube channel. Secondly, choose your niche. Yes, carefully choose the niche. Niche simply means the topic that you will be teaching people, or the stuff that you want to be educating people all about. So look for a niche that you are comfortable, like what I'm doing now. This is how to niche. So I am teaching you how you can create your YouTube channel successfully. So I will advise you, pick niche that you are okay with, that you can talk. If they wake you any time of the day, that you can talk very well about that niche. After choosing your niche, then choose your target audience, people that this content is made for. Then the next thing was, take your phone, start creating high value content. Make sure that you are knowledgeable or knowledge about any content, any topic that you want to discuss. Is very, very important. And that is all you need to start up a YouTube channel. So I will always advise you, do not wait that tomorrow you will start or next week you will start now. Practice, they say, make perfect. The more you create content, the more you will be good at it. So do not forget to check out my other video, and please do me a favor by subscribing, like my video and share. And if there is any update, I will bring it right here for you. Thank you for watching.